I cannot tell you how much I love the Caseta Lutron lighting system. These have come with me through rentals. I will install them at each house we're in, and when we move, I always take them with me. Now, these two are for our dining room and our kitchen, and I'm going to show you exactly how these work in this video and how these are actually two-way switches and remotes. Let me show you. Now, the first thing is these are both connected to different rooms. This one is to our kitchen right here, and it is actually connected as a two-way switch to that switch right there. And these are slightly different. I'll go into that too. And the other switch here goes to our dining room light and is also connected right here. Now, what's so incredible about these is this one works like a regular two-way switch. You can pop this off and then just screw it off. And then this piece has very clear instructions of where you wire it. I wired all of these myself. They're great. Now this one has on, off. So if I just click that, you can see it's getting darker in here. Click that, it's all the way up. And then I can control the dimness by holding this button, and it can go down by dimness. So pretty standard dimmer switch. Great, gives me so much control, makes my room look good. But my favorite switch is this one over here. And there is good reason for that. These are actually remotes. You don't have to hook them into the wall. And while they have the on, off, and the up, down, they also have these buttons in the middle that memorize your favorite brightness. And so to set those, you would just choose where you want it to be. And then you just hold down this button and it'll flash at you up here when it has held your new memory right there. So now it has this new dimness as my favorite color. Very simple to use. Now, if I pop this off, you will see that these are actually remotes. So what I did here is these were also where the two-way switches were to connect with the other ones, and I just wired those together so they are not working on this side. So this is basically a dead box with just these remotes in it. And now this remote that's normally in my wall can go off and it can go on. And as you'll see, it doesn't just turn on and off. It goes slowly down and slowly up. It's really lovely how it does that. And then it can also be controlled in the dimness. And I can always have this button be my memorized favorite that'll just go to automatically. So these are super easy to install. They'll look so good in your home, and they really can elevate any space. Whether you own or rent, this will make your home feel more like home. We installed these in our first week of moving in here, and I will definitely be taking them with us when we move out. Love them.